Welcome to 5408 Wayfarer Avenue in Apollo Beach in the coveted Waterset neighborhood. I'm Nikki Musgrave with Engel & Volkers. You're gonna love this 4-bedroom home that was just completed in 2022. It has no neighbors, it was built by Westbay, and you don't have to worry about waiting for construction. Let's take a look inside. Thanks again for checking out 5408 Wayfarer Avenue with me. If you or anybody you know would be interested in this property, you can reach me at 863-224-5090, or you can check out my website at www.nikkimusgrave.com.